back, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze, guys, and we'll show you how to remove and how to replace front door assembly. I'm talking about a whole door, the shell, everything, guys. Stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, guys. Let us know if the video was helpful. So let me explain what we'll be doing now. Okay, this is 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should work for the whole generation from year like 2008 when they started to 2016. The second generation might be the same way. I think it is, because things didn't change much on body-wise. Just a little bit of a refreshness pretty much. But let me explain now what we're talking about. This door now, guys, right here, okay, first thing that you need to remove, wiring harness. Okay, you can see that bump. You need to press down and you need to pry the top up, out. Okay, like that. And now slide it up. Okay, up. And out. Perfect. Now, what we'll be doing next, guys, small flathead screwdriver, we need to pry, okay, that purple thing on the top out. Okay, just like that, and eventually it will come out. If it doesn't want to come out all the way now, okay, it will later when we remove the door, but ours did. Now do not close the door, because if you do, you're going to break your wiring harness. 10mm socket, guys, and we're going to remove, okay, this bolt right there. Those are super tight usually, so we might need to use the ratchet because they have thread locker, so they don't get loose. This is, guys, the device that prevents your door from opening and closing while, you know, on you. Let's say when you leave the door open, it just stays in that position, it doesn't move. That's what it's doing. So okay, that is extremely tight. Every single time we have to remove these bolts, they're extremely tight, guys, on every car. So don't forget to use thread locker later again. Okay, now it's gonna go a little bit easier probably. Okay, perfect. Now, guys, without closing the door or anything like that, we have to be extremely careful, and right here, okay, we have two bolts on the bottom that we need to get loose. Okay, and two on top. Now I will hold the door, guys. Okay, I will be holding the door while one person is removing the bolts. Okay, because that thing will be heavy now. Okay, it's practically loose, so I'll just grab it here. We're going to support it with a bucket just in case. Okay, and we'll start removing the bolts. Okay, just one by one. Perfect, one is out, second one. All the tools and parts, guys, that we use, including replacement parts, you can find listed in our videos, so please check it out. I think if I'm not videoing, guys, you can remove that door probably for less than 2-3 minutes. It doesn't take much time at all. Okay, and this is the last one now. Okay, there is one mosquito flying trying to get us here now. Okay, this is the last bolt. Okay, and now we can grab the door and pull it out, guys. Okay, the whole door assembly just like that, so you can see it came out. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.